Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting row 1 so Excel knows which row to freeze. Click the number 1 at the worksheet edge. Once done, make sure you saved a backup copy. This protects formatting and data if you need to revert. You're doing this now because freezing targets the row relative to the visible window. Next, notice the ribbon. We'll move there immediately to apply the freeze. This short prep keeps everything predictable and reduces mistakes as you proceed. You then go to the View tab and find Freeze Panes in the Window group. This is where Excel controls the visible panes. Click the drop-down and pick Freeze Top Row to lock only the first row. Choose Freeze Panes if you selected below row cells for a custom split. Once chosen, you'll immediately see a thin dividing line under row 1, which confirms the freeze. Make sure to scroll vertically to test that row 1 remains fixed while other rows move. Finally, to finish or adjust, use View Right Arrow Freeze Panes, Right Arrow Unfreeze Panes to remove any lock, then repeat with the correct selection if needed. If freezing seems ineffective, check for split panes or that the sheet is protected. These block pane changes. Also, make sure you're in Normal View, not Page Layout or Split View, because those modes alter pane behavior. If problems persist, close and reopen the workbook after saving. This refresh often clears transient UI issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.